Good morning, students. Today we will write an English essay on the festival I like best. The festival I like best. India is a country of many religions, languages, and numerous festivals and fairs. During almost every month of the year, there are some festivals in some state or other. The festival I like best is Holi, the festival of colors. We collect buckets and bottles, buy colors and sprayers. We also prepare a timetable for our celebrations. We meet very early in the morning, have snacks together, and prepare a bucket full of colored water. We then call on our friends and we go on in a procession to the marketplace. There we meet other groups. We embrace each other and throw buckets of color on each other. Holi is the festival of colors and fun. This is all about the essay, the festival I like best. Thank you.